It's AK Garage, and today I'm here to fix this brake wheel cylinder. See this arrangement of this drum brake. You can see the adjuster. The adjuster is different than the other one. You see that it is different. So I'm about to fix this one, and then this illustration is how to fix this kind or this types of brake wheel cylinder. You can see here where this thing will pass. If you fix this one, if you fix this cylinder before you fix the pipe, you can't spoil the thread inside because of its placement where the pipe passed. See where it passed? It passed here. It passed here. So the pipe actually passes like this, and if you didn't take care and fix it well, you spoil the thread inside. So the better way to do it is to let this pipe pass here. Let the pipe pass here. Then you fix it here before you place it there. So it's good to do that than to fix this one before you fix the pipe. So you have to do it that way to avoid spoiling this thread of this brake wheel cylinder. Thank you, and kindly subscribe to LK Garage for more information and for more videos about the car brakes and about cars particular. Thank you. Thank you.